Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I already have my look done because this is the look that we'll be creating today. I am using my favorite Get Stoned. Today I want to be talking about Get Stoned because my friend Megs, she is just amazing and she created this brand and I want to show some love to her and to her brand today. So I'm going to be showing you guys Get Stoned. I don't remember if I mentioned this in the video, but I do have a code with Get Stoned. It is YADI and you guys can go ahead and use that code and you will get 10% off your order. I do want to let you guys know that I do get commission when you use my code, so I want to thank you guys in advance. I'm going to be leaving a link to Get Stoned. If you guys want to shop any of the gemstones that she has there, you guys can. So we're going to be creating this look. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel or want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. So let's just go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So for today's eye look, I am going to be using the e.l.f. and J Kissa palette because it has those deep red tones and I really want to use this. So we're going to be using that today and I'm going to be creating a smoky winged out eye look, just smoked it out. So I'm going to be using the shade Casey, which is this red right over here. I'm going to be using that shade and we're going to be using this in a little angled brush. I am using the e.l.f. and J Kissa. This is I think it has a number, J5, and it's an angled brush. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to bring this in. Do you guys see what I'm doing there? Really, really easy. I'm also going to be getting it from the bottom, under my eye here in the lash line, and connecting it. It's a deeper red, as you guys can tell. It doesn't look too bright, and I like that. I am going to get a brighter red just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm grabbing the shade, this red one from the James Charles and Morphe palette. And I'm grabbing that red one because it's a really bright red. And I'm going to be using that to smoke out the liner, winged liner here. And just kind of smoke out that red a bit more. Do you guys see what I'm doing there? It's just smoking it out even more. We're also going to bring this to the lower lash line. And bring it out all the way to the inner corner and smoke it. Do you guys see what I mean? This is what I want to do. I want to elongate it a bit. But you know me, I'm also going to be adding this to the inner corner and just adding a little bit more depth to the inner corner because I'm thinking of putting some stones into my inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. So we're going to just kind of blend that in. Basically kind of adding it and smoking it out all the way, and I'm literally just using this red shade from the James Charles palette and just smoking it out because I do want to add a little bit more detail to this, but it's mostly the stones. I want the stones to be the it factor of this eye look, so I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of a shape just to make sure where I want to place my stones. I really don't know where, but I'm just kind of using this as a little map. But what do you guys think of it so far? I know it's a little bit too much, but I just really want to be able to kind of create really dope look with red. Now with the J Kissa and e.l.f., this is the Duo Glitter, Liquid Glitter, and it's just like this. But I'm going to be using this side because it's really cute and it kind of adds a little bit more of a wet look to the eye look. So I'm going to add this all over like this. And I'm also going to bring it into the brow bone. Do you guys see what this does? It just kind of gives it a little bit more of a shimmery lid, and that's what I wanted. So now that I'm done basically with the basic eye look for right now, I'm going to go in with stones because I feel like that is what's going to create the look. I'm going to get rid of this James Charles palette. The only bad thing about that palette is just it's so big that it gets in the way. So I'm going to be using some stones. So let's talk about Get Stoned. Get Stoned, it is a brand created by Megs. I'm going to be posting her Instagram right here and her handle so you guys can go ahead and follow her. And she created Get Stoned, and I'm also going to be putting the Get Stoned Instagram page here so you guys can go ahead and follow it as well. She created Get Stoned and I was amazed when I first saw it. I had met her at the House Laboratories dinner that we went to. And she was there and she had these stones on her eyes and I was mesmerized. I was like, those stones are so pretty. Like, I love those stones. And she's like, oh, it's going to be my brand. Like, I'm coming out with a brand. And I was like, that is so cool. So I've known that she was going to come out with the brand before she even launched. So that's why when she launched, I was really, really proud of her because it just, like, she's just doing such an amazing job, you guys. I love it. And she also has these masks. I should probably show you guys a mask. Let me go get it. These masks right here, these are like the this is a holographic one. She has different colors, so I would recommend you guys checking out her website. I'm going to be linking in down below. And also, I just want to let you guys know I do have a code, like a discount code, that you would get 10% off if you use my code YADI. I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Because first of all, I'm just gonna say these are head turners, like head turners. People will ask you, where did you get your mask? I've gotten so many people asking me about it, and I was really, really cool because I had gone to Target and this girl told me, is that Get Stoned? So I felt like a really proud moment for Megs because I was like, oh my god, like her brand is getting known, which is amazing. And it's just really, really cool. Like, I can't even show you guys. It's really, really cool. I'm going to try to dim the light a little bit. So, I don't know. It's like the lights obviously make it look like... doesn't give you guys the effect that it does. Like, it just shines so nice. I really, really recommend this. It comes also with like a filter that you can put inside. It comes with the filter inside here, right over here. And you can take this off and you can obviously change them. You can buy new filters and change them. But I really, really like this, and I think she did such an amazing job. And oh my god, you guys need to check her out. So we're going to be using her stones today. I have some stones, I don't have all of them, but her recent one is this Angelic Get Stoned collection. And it comes with pearls, it comes with like blues and like blue pearls. I'm not going to use the blue side, I'm going to be using the white and like the silver side, because I feel like it's going to look really, really nice with this look. So I'm so excited. She also has these applicators. These are like really easy to pick up the stones, to kind of just pick at them. She also sells this if you guys want to check it out. And it also comes with this, which helps you kind of like move the stones whenever you need to move them. But it's just really, really cool. So if you guys have seen me, I have been using some stones on my eyes these past days on my YouTube channel. If you guys have seen that, I'm just like amazed. She has so many different ones and they're so affordable. The other day I went to Michael's and it had like maybe 6 little stones, and Swarovski stones, I think that's what they call them, and it was like $5 for like 6. I was like, excuse me, that is so expensive. And that's when I thought about Get Stoned and how affordable she is, because you get a pack with a lot for that same price or even less, to be honest. So I recommend them. She has like different colors. She's always coming out with more colors, so if you guys want to check them out, you guys, the link is down below. But look how crazy this is. Like I said, this is not sponsored. This is just me showing some love to Megs and Get Stoned, because I feel that she just did such an amazing job with her brand and all the hard work that she's been putting. And she also collaborated with BH Cosmetics, just in case you guys didn't know. She also came out with this like little cross ones. I don't think she has them anymore on her site, but I bought them when she was like having like a sale, because it was like a limited edition kind of thing, and I got them because I needed them in my life. So we're going to be using these. So let me just stop talking and let's just start putting them in our eyes. I'm going to be inserting some little clips of the stones because I feel like I can't really show this specific one here, but I know you can see how amazing these are. She's selling these for like $30, but you can use my code and get a discount with it. I think they're available on right now on her site. She was already sold out, but she just restocked again, so you guys want to check that out. You can apply this with Lash Glue, so I'm going to be using Lash Glue. I only have a little bit of Lash Glue, and I'm using the Duo one. I'm kind of adding it to the areas where I want to add all of that stones. I'm going to be using this for the inner corner. And I don't know what I'm doing it. I kind of go with the flow and see what I want to do. But we're going to be grabbing the little stone. As you can tell, it grabs it like this. And you just apply it like that. Super easy, you guys. And it reflects really, really nicely. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of a pearl. Like that. Do you guys see how easy that is? So I'm just going to keep applying these. Also going to be applying some red ones because I do have some red ones from the BH Cosmetics collection. So we're going to be adding the red ones up here. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I like to just go with the flow, like I said, and just have fun with these. Do you guys see how beautiful that is looking? I know it's just maybe too much for you all, but I love these. Adding a little bit of those stones also to the inner corner to make it pop even more. Do you guys see how beautiful that is looking? I know this might be too much for some of you guys, but this is like everything. I want to make sure this stands out a lot. So I played around a little bit on this side of how I wanted to do it. So I'm going to kind of just do this and kind of add it to the ends here, because I kind of wanted to do like a contrast of the top to bottom, because I don't want to cover this section that I have going on here with the wing. So we're going to just add a lot of like this glue all the way down here. Burning out so bad. And I went to Target. I went to 2 different Targets and I could not find this lash glue. It's like, I don't know why they cannot have this lash glue stocked. I don't know what's going on. Be adding a little bit of this. We're gonna go with the pearl and we're gonna add this to right here. And we're gonna start getting some of the little ones, the mini ones, and add it to the side of this one and the other side. So I'm basically done with the eye look. I'm going to put some lashes on and some mascara, and I'll be right back. For my red lips, I am going to be using the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon from House Labs. This is in the shade Mustard, and it's like a really bright red. But since I do want this look to be very glossy, I'm going to go in with the House Laboratories Le Riot Lip Gloss, and I'm going to be using the shade, this is the shade Work. And it's like a really bright red. Oh my god, I'm gonna just put this all over. See how beautiful this look came out? I love it. This is the final look, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below if you guys like this video, and make sure you guys comment down below what do you guys think of Get Stoned. Will you guys try it one day? I don't know if I had red lips. And I'm good. The last time I had red stuff on my teeth and I was like, what's going on? So thank you guys again. I don't know what I'm saying now. Thank you guys again. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, maybe you guys are following me there. I'm always posting there. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Before I go, I wanted to show you guys how beautiful these look in the sun. Like, do you guys see how stunning that looks? Like in the sun, it's just so beautiful, and it just shines amazing. Like, you guys, I just really want to show you guys this because I feel like it doesn't get the love that it deserves. I feel like this brand needs to blow up even more, and I need you guys to try it. You guys have to try this because I know it sounds very sponsored, but I promise you guys it is not sponsored. I just love how she just nailed this. Like, it's just amazing. Do you guys see how beautiful this is looking? Okay, you guys, I am done. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time.